I built this truck last year, previous employee and I, James. We back-halved it, caged it, ran some nitrous lines, cut his frame rail off, had the cab, made some bracing. The bracing on this goes 18 inches into the frame rail. Triangulated it, drive shaft hooped it, connected the drive shaft hoop to the frame plates inside the frame, fully seam welded everything. I made a mistake. Whenever I was building this, for some reason in my brain, I thought that this bed would be enough support structure to help with the bracing and the vertical load of the fuel cell sitting rearward of the axle. This thing became a big old bob weight. You've heard me talk about bob weights before. This right here, bob weight. What we're gonna do to fix it is we're gonna take this fuel cell off, jack the bed up back to where it needs to be, where the body lines line up again. Weld those two tubes back together. And then we're going to put some sort of a brace, probably from right here, up at like a 30-degree angle or something, and then make it tie in to the down bars. I'd kind of like to land these tubes as close to here as we can, because there's a lot of strength in that X. So if we can bring it out and down. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make two little braces, tie it up into the down bars, weld it all back together, and out the dough she go. By the way, you ought to go check this truck out. Anthony Boyd's Grading. This truck makes over 1,000 horsepower, close to 2,000 foot-pound of torque. It's an absolute rocket ship. Olean suspension. I designed all of his suspension mounts and geometry. I built his control arms, set it up. First time out on the track, this thing launched straight as an arrow. He's been fighting some drivetrain issues here and there, but he's finally got everything dialed in. We're ready to go out and take the podium this year, boys. Stay tuned.